Hi, it's Jonathan from Premier, and a lot of our clients realise that we like to invest in the latest products, equipment, training and technology. And the reason why we do that is because we want to serve our clients at the highest level. Now, this is our latest investment. Now, it could be a world first, because a lot of talk has been about artificial intelligence, AI, and how that's going to transform people's businesses and even transform the world. So I'd like to introduce our latest investment, our AI window cleaners. Here we have the Jim AI window cleaner. Now, amazing technology, voice activated. I'll just demonstrate how it works. Jim, can you clean that window, please? Stop. Bit of a delayed reaction there. I think there's a bit of a glitch in the software there, but we'll upgrade Jim so he stops immediately. But that's not all. We've gone for some optional extras with this model. We have the Ashley model, so you can see Ashley is a lot bigger, so you can reach higher heights. It's built like a barn door, so you can do extreme heavy work as well. Also voice activated. Say hello. Amazing. You'd almost think they were human, wouldn't you? So we've invested in that type of technology for the benefit of our clients. So if you'd like to see our AI window cleaners in action to see how it can benefit your property, just visit our website premierwindowcleaners.com, or see the other services that we offer for external cleaning at premiersoftwashing.com. Or if you'd like to find out if our intelligence is artificial, give me a call on 07808 803 270. Thanks for watching.